HUION Inspiroy H1161 Graphics Drawing Tablet is a versatile and powerful pen tablet built for digital artists, designers, and note-takers. With a large working area, precise pen control, and wide device compatibility, it delivers a smooth and natural drawing experience for both beginners and professionals. Spacious drawing area for comfortable workflow. The tablet features a generous 11 by 6.87-inch active area, allowing more natural hand movements and better control over strokes. This spacious surface helps reduce wrist strain and makes long drawing or designing sessions more comfortable and enjoyable. Touch strip and customizable shortcut keys. Designed for efficiency, the H1161 includes a programmable touch strip, along with 10 hard express keys and 16 soft express keys. These shortcuts can be customized to your workflow, helping you zoom, scroll, adjust brush size, or switch tools quickly, saving time and boosting productivity. Battery-free stylus with tilt support. The PW100 battery-free stylus requires no charging, ensuring uninterrupted use at all times. With 892 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60 degrees tilt support, 50 or 80 LPI resolution, and 266 RPS report rate, it delivers accurate, smooth, and natural pen strokes that closely mimic real pen-on-paper drawing. Paperless creativity and productivity. The HUION H1161 makes it easy to take notes, write equations, annotate PDFs, and sketch digitally. It supports a paperless workflow, while still delivering a fluid, realistic writing and drawing feel, ideal for students, teachers, and creative professionals. Overall, the HUION Inspiroy H1161 is a well-balanced graphics tablet that combines precision, comfort, and customization. Backed by the reliability of HUION, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their digital drawing or note-taking experience.